Hello everyone. After a long time, finally I come back with a huge amount of bioscience one-liner most time pick questions collection. So without further delay, let's get started. Subject bioscience. Fill in the blanks. First, aerobes bacteria means that can grow and live when oxygen is present. Second, spore forming are not destroyed by chemical disinfectant method of sterilization. Third, endemic disease means consistently present but limited to a particular region. Fourth, microscope is discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Fifth, disease producing microorganisms are called as a pathogens. 6. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. 7. Normal pH value of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. 8. Bile is stored in the gallbladder. 8. The length of large intestine is about 1.5 meter. 9. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of the body. 10th. Abdominal cavity is the largest cavity of body, whereas peritoneal membrane is largest layer of serous membrane. 11. The duct connect middle ear and pharynx is known as Eustachian tube. 12th, cerebrospinal fluid is produced in choroid plexus of the brain. 13. Follicle stimulating hormone is secreted by the pituitary gland. 14. Mitochondria is a power generating unit of a cell. 15. Clostridium tetani organism is responsible for tetanus. 16. Phrenic artery supplies blood of diaphragm. 28. The opening of aorta is guarded by aortic valve. 29. Absorption of glucose occurs in small intestine and kidney. 30. Ileocecal valve is situated at junction of small intestine and large intestine. 31. The metabolism of salt is controlled by adrenal gland. 32. Leukocytes blood cell protect body from infection. 33. Islets of Langerhans secrete glucagon, insulin and somatostatin. 34. Pituitary gland is known as master gland. 35. In adult commonly there is 60 to 67% men and 52 to 55% women of body fluid of total weight. 36. Anterior fontanelle close at 18 months, 1.5 years. 37 degrees Celsius temperature is ideal for the development of bacteria. 38. Measles is caused due to German measles virus. Rubella. 39. Fumigation method is used to sterilize operation theatre. 40. O negative blood group is known as universal donor. 41. Antony van Leeuwenhoek is known as the father of microbiology. 42. Coronary artery supplies blood to the heart. 43. There are 23 pairs of chromosome in human cells. 44. Nails are made up of keratinized epithelial tissue. 45. RBC produced in red bone marrow. 46. Skeleton system is divided into axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. 47. Tears are produced by lacrimal glands. 48. RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. 49. Lipase enzyme of gastric juice helps in digestion of fat. 50. Patella is a sesamoid type bone. 51. Pulmonary artery contains deoxygenated blood. 52. Bile is necessary for digestion of fat. 53. Accessory nerve is 11th cranial nerve. 54. Melanin gives the color of the eye. 55. Larynx is also known as the voice box or glottis. 56. The shape of uterus is pear shape. 57. There are 20 number of temporary teeth in human body. 58. Kidney are bean-shaped organ. 59. Femur is the largest bone in body. 60. Bile is secreted by the liver. 61. The largest part organ of human body is the skin. 62. Oral polio vaccine was invented by Dr. Albert Sabin. 63. Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria is the responsible microorganism for the disease of gonorrhea. 64. FBS stands for fasting blood sugar. 65. The first branch of aorta is called brachiocephalic trunk. 66. Goblet cells are secreted to mucus. 67. Layer of brain is called the meninges. 68. Islets of Langerhans situated in pancreas. 69. Male sexual hormone situated by testes is testosterone. 70. 10th cranial nerve is vagus nerve. 71. 16 to 20 cartilage is situated in trachea. 72. Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. 73. Middle layer of artery is called tunica media. 74. Patella has triangular shape. 75. Thyroid gland produce thyroxine hormone. 76. The tonsil are composed of lymphatic tissue. 77. The lungs are covered by a membrane called pleura. 78. HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus. 79. Insulin is secreted by pancreas. 80. GH stands for growth hormone. 81. The left lungs has two lobes. 82. Klebsiella bacilli is also known as diphtheria bacillus. 83. BCG vaccine is live attenuated weekend vaccine. 84. Infection occurs in patient after admission in hospital is known as nosocomial infection. 85. Type of retinal cell are rods and cones. 86. Thyroid gland secretes triiodothyronine T3 and tetraiodothyronine T4 hormone. 87. The smallest bone in the body is stapes. 88. SA node is the natural pacemaker of the heart. 89. Iris gives the color of the eye. 19. Estrogen and progesterone hormones are secreted by ovaries gland. 91. Malleus, incus and stapes bone are situated in the middle ear. 92. Layer of the skin are epidermis and dermis. 93. Normal diastolic blood pressure is 80 mm of Hg and systolic blood pressure 120 mm of Hg. 94. Louis Pasteur is known as a father of modern microbiology. 95. Spores forming bacteria are destroyed by autoclave method of sterilization. True or false? First, normally 25% of extracellular fluid is plasma. False. Second, there are 3 main lymphatic ducts in body. Answer false. Third, the spleen is highly vascular organ. True. Antidiuretic hormone is secreted from posterior part of pituitary gland. True. 5. Solutions that have some osmolarity as plasma are said to be hypotonic. Answer false. Cephalic artery supplies oxygenated blood to liver, stomach and spleen. Answer true. 7. Phrenic artery supplies blood to diaphragm. Answer true. 8. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. True. Most of the food is digested in large intestine. False. RBC produced in the bone marrow. True. Olfactory nerve helps in vision. False. Mitochondria is a power generating unit of a cell. True. The RBS are destroyed if Rh negative blood group is given to Rh positive person. Answer true. Thyrotropic hormone is produced by thyroid gland. False. Periosteum is outer covering of bone. True. Hervatian system is the name given to microscopic structure of liver. False. iris prevent the excessive light rays entering into eyeball. True. Hearing center is situated in the frontal lobe of the brain. False. Amino acid is a waste product of fat digestion. False. Bile stored in gallbladder. True. Nails are made up of epithelial tissue. False. Fertilization of ovum takes place in uterus. False. Retina is the muscular layer of eye. False. Pyloric sphincter is situated between stomach and esophagus. False. Largest organ of the body is skin. True. Respiratory center is situated in the medulla oblongata. True. The pineal gland is the master gland of the body. False. Normal systolic blood pressure is 80 mm of Hg. False. Pulmonary artery supplies blood to the heart. False. Second cervical vertebra known as axis. True. CSF is circulated in spinal cord. True. Uterus is situated in abdominal cavity. False. Causative organism of cholera is Vibrio. True. Swallowing is a voluntary action. True. The color of skin is due to melanin, keratin, and hemoglobin. True. Spinal cord is the part of peripheral nervous system. False. Liver, gallbladder, pancreas are part of digestive system. True. The first cervical vertebra is known as atlas. Optic nerve is a sensory nerve. True. Fertilization of ovum is occurred in fallopian tube. True. Dermis is the outer layer of the skin. False. Tears are produced by pituitary gland. False. AB blood group person is called universal donor. False. Fumigation method is used to disinfect operation theatre. True. Normal pH value of blood is 3.5 to 4.5. False. Storage of bile is in liver. False. Innermost layer of the heart is called pericardium. False. Prolactin releases from anterior pituitary gland. True. AV node is the pacemaker of the heart. False. Elbow joint is a pivot joint. False. There are 27 pairs of cranial nerve. False. B cell of pancreas secreted insulin. True. The lifespan of platelet is 230 days. False. Tunica intima is the outer layer of wing. False. Alpha cell of pancreas secrete insulin. False. There are 12 pair of cranial nerve. True. First stage of mitosis is anaphase. False. Process of development of RBC is called erythropoiesis. True. Suprarenal gland is situated on kidney. True. Spirochetes produce gonorrhea. False. Two end of the long bone is called diaphysis. False. Tongue is an involuntary muscle. False. Tetanus toxoid vaccine is an example of passive immunity. True. Aerobic bacteria grows in presence of oxygen. True. Anterior fontanelle closes at 12 months of age. False. Passive immunity is produced after introduction of antigen in the body. True. Hot air oven is used for sterilizing dressing material. False. The IM injection is given in gluteal muscle of arm. False. Fungi is a photosynthetic microorganism. False. Lifespan of people is platelet is 230 days. False. Sternum is the bone of thoracic cage. True. Match the following: hepatitis A, oral fecal route, dysentery, Shigella, third platelet, blood clotting, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium bacilli, liver, Kupffer cell. Second, sternum bone, breast bone, hip bone, innominate bone. Third, clavicle bone, collar bone, fluid connective tissue, blood, sesamoid bone, patella bone. Spirometer vital capacity of lungs, cribriform plate, ethmoid bone, deltoid muscle, intramuscular injection, bile, digestion of fat, testes, testosterone, bile stored, gallbladder, destroyed microorganism from milk, pasteurization, WBC, immune system, tuberculosis, robot coach, olfactory nerve, sensation of smell, cornea, transparent sclera, master gland, pituitary gland, fallopian tube, fertilization of ovum, sternum, breastbone, fluid connective tissue, white blood cell. Second, thyroid gland, thyroxine, adrenal gland, glucocorticoid. Third, universal donor, O negative, universal recipient, AB, sesamoid bone, patella. First, Salmonella typhoid. Third, enteric fever, Vibrio cholerae, cholera, Clostridium tetani, tetanus, Treponema pallidum, syphilis, E. coli, gastroenteritis. Second, outer layer of heart, pericardium, outer layer of brain, meninges, dura mater, outer layer of bones, periosteum, outer layer of uterus, perimetrium, outer layer of skin, epidermis. MCQs. Deglutition is also called as swallowing. Integumentary system, skin. Part of eye include all of the following except stapes. Hospital acquired infection is called as nosocomial infection. 5. Normal pH value of the blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Normal number of cardiac cycle per minute is 60 to 80. Movable bone is in face is mandible bone. Which human organ system is responsible for exchanging gases with outside environment? Respiratory system. Total pair of spinal nerve is human body. 31. Knee joint is a type of hinge joint. Cerebrospinal fluid is secreted by cerebellum. It is a dome-shaped muscle in our body, diaphragm. Thanks for watching. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like and found useful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.